Okay, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, wait. I take a screenshot.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So today we are going to learn about articles. So already we started this topic. So already we have completed the indefinite article. So now we are going to learn about the definite article. Before the start this definite article, so we recollect what we discussed in the previous class. So just we recollect what we discussed in the previous class. So okay, so articles, it is a adjective, it is used before nouns, it is used before nouns. So articles a and the are called articles. So a and an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite articles. Definite article. So indefinite article a and an is used before the sounds of consonant and vowels. So already we know in English 26 letters. These 26 letters give us 44 sounds. So there are consonant sounds and vowel sounds. So already we know A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowel letters. The remaining 21 letters are called consonant letters. So they produce a consonant sound. So these the remaining 5 produce vowel sounds. So already we know 44 sounds of 26 from the 26 letters. So we have a consonant sound and vowel sounds. So when the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. So then if the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So already we know a, an and the are called articles. So articles two types. One is definite article, the second one is indefinite article. So the definite article the is called definite article. A and are called indefinite articles. So a and is used to modify or non-specific or non-particular nouns. So I mean articles used before nouns. Already I told you articles used before nouns. So I mean here a or an, that means indefinite article is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. So the is used, that means as a definite article is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. So a is used before consonant sounds, b an is used before vowel sounds. So I mean articles used before names of persons, things like this. Already I told you what is noun. It is a naming word. It tells the names of persons, places, animals, things, rivers, seas, oceans, etc. So for example, a person, a place, a thing like this. So a is used before consonant sounds. I mean it begin with consonant. I mean the word begin with consonant sound. Then we can use a. For example, book, school, dog. So the word book begin with the word book begin with ba, that is a book. Ba, I mean ba, that is a consonant sound. So book, that is begin with consonant sound. School, it begin with school, that means school. S, sa, it is a sound of consonant. So the school, it begin with consonant sound. Dog, it begin with da, it is a consonant sound. It is a consonant sound. So the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. So a book, a school, a dog, like this. So already we have discussed this. So if the word begin with vowel letters, but the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. So then we can use a. I mean some words start with vowel letters but begin with a consonant sound, so we can use a before these words, like university. The word begin with u. That is a letter u letter. So the u letter, it is a vowel letter. What are vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. These are all called vowel letters. So the word university, it begin with u. So that is a vowel letter, but it produce u, that is a consonant sound. U, it is a consonant sound. That's why we can use a. That's why you can use a university, a uniform. So uniform, the word uniform begin with u. It is vowel letter, but it produce consonant sound. It begin with consonant sound. Uniform, u, it is a consonant sound. That's why we can use a. So next one, a 1 rupee note. One, wo, it is a vowel letter, but it begin with va. One, va, it is a consonant sound. That's why we can use a. So if the word begin with vowel letters but they begin with consonant sounds, then we can use a. So I mean a or an depends upon sounds, consonant sound or vowel sound. So if the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. If the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So only it depend upon sounds. Next one, so we use a before words that begin with the consonant letter. So a girl, a clock, a lamp. I mean the girl begin with the consonant sound. I mean girl, the word girl start with consonant sound. It begin with consonant letter. It begin with consonant sound. So clock, it begin with consonant word. It begin with consonant letter. It begin with consonant sound. Lamp, it begin with consonant letter. It begin with consonant sound. So a or an, it depend upon sounds. Consonant sound or vowel sound. If the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. If the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So the girl, I mean here a girl is a consonant sound. It begin with a consonant sound. That's why we can use a. So clock, consonant sound, it begin with consonant sound. So that's why we can use a. Lamp, it begin with consonant sound. That's why we can use a lamp. So an is used. So an, already I told you, an is used before vowel sounds. Before a word beginning with a vowel. So for example, idiot, apple, like this. So an idiot, we can use an. Apple, we can use apple. So the word begin with, these words begin with vowel sounds. That's why we can use an. So if the word begin with consonant letters, like h, like this, so but they produce the beginning with vowel sounds, so h is a silent letter, some words like honor, our, honest, like this. So honor, in this word h is silent. Our, in this word h is silent. Honest, in this word h is silent. I mean honor, we pronounce this word honor. I mean the word honor begins with vowel sound. The word our begin with vowel sound. Honest, the word honest begin with vowel sound. These words h begin with h, but it is a silent word, h is a consonant, but it is a silent word. So that's why here these words begin with consonant letters, these consonant words, right? That's why we can use an. So an, honor, an, our, an, honest man, like this. So we use an before words that begin with vowel sounds. So I mean if the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So vowel letters, what are the vowel letters? Already I have told you. So a, e, I, o, u, these five are called vowel letters. So right. So you can see these picture, I mean you can these words and pronounce orange, umbrella, I. So these words begin with vowel letters and it begin with vowel sounds. So that's why we can use an orange, an umbrella, an I, like this. Next we are going to learn about definite article, that is the definite article the. So now we are going to learn about definite article. So where we used definite article, the is used before unique objects. The is used before unique objects. So I mean one and only thing, one and only things. So one and only things in the university, one and only things in the university. Unique mean one and only. So the is used before unique objects or unique things. So only one in the university. So in the universal, only one in the universal. So I mean a definite article the is used before unique things, I mean sun, earth, sky, moon, these are all unique things. So that's why, so if the word begin if the word sun, then we can use the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, like this. Why we use the of these words? Why? Because these words are unique words, these words are unique objects. So that's why we can use definite article the. So the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, like this. So next one, the is used before names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, like this. I mean the is used before rivers, seas, for example the Gangas, the Godavari, so the Nailu, the Thames, like this. So the is used before oceans or canals, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal, like this. The is used before oceans, the is used before rivers. So the is used before deserts. So the is used before deserts. అంటే ఎడారులు అన్నమాట. సో సహారా ఎడారి ఇట్లా అంటాం కదా. సో ద సహారా ఎడారి. సో ద సహారా డెజర్ట్ లైక్ దిస్. ఐ మీన్ ద ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ బిఫోర్ మౌంటైన్స్. ద ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఎవరెస్ట్ మౌంటైన్. So the mountains, I mean the use used before mountains, rivers, oceans, desert. I mean before the mountains, before the rivers, before the oceans, before the deserts, then we can use uh, definite article the. So for example, the Ganga, the Sahara, the Pacific, like these. The Gangas, the Godavari, the Nile, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Suez. So like these. So next one, the is used before the names of books. The is used before the names of books. I mean if the book is well known book, if the book is holy book, then we use definite article like the. So the is used before the names of books. I mean well known books or holy books. So for example, Bible, it is well known book or holy book. So Ramayana, it is also well known book or holy book. Quran, it is also well known book. I mean the is used before well known books or holy books. So the is used before books. So that is a Bhagavad Gita. I mean the Gita, the Bible, the Vedas, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Quran. So the moonstone. So like these. So I mean the is used before unique things. I mean unique objects. The is used before mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts. So the is used before holy books. The is used before books. I mean well known books. Next one, the is used before superlative degrees. Superlative degree. Already we discussed about adjective. So adjectives are adjectives we write three different types of adjectives. They are comparative, positive, comparative, and superlative. So positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So if the word a superlative degree, then we can write before that word the. So before the superlative degrees, for example, biggest, tallest, smallest, richest, most beautiful. So best. So like these. So these words the before these words, I mean superlative degrees. So when we use superlative degree, before we use definite article, that is the. So the best, the tallest, the talented person, so the richest person, the poorest people, like these. So we can use superlative degrees before these the. before before superlative degrees we use definite article, that is the. So definite article used before superlative degrees. Definite article is used before superlative degrees. Next one, superlative degrees is definite article the is used before musical instruments. The is used before musical instruments. So musical instruments. So musical instruments, I mean piano, a violin, sitara, a flute, like these. So we can use these musical instruments. So we can use before these musical instruments. So the is used before musical instruments like flute, the flute, violin, the violin. This is a musical instruments. So that's why we can use the definite article the. So if the name is musical instrument, then we can use definite article, that is the flute, the violin, the sitara, the piano, like this. So before an adjective to denote whole class, so the is used before an adjective. The is used before an adjective to denote a whole class. Whole class. I mean, for example, if you, for example, we talk about old persons. So old persons, that is the whole of the total. Who have a old person. Then we talk about old. So that means whole means the old. We talk about the old persons. So that means the whole class of the old, the whole class of the word. So I mean, if the word represent whole class, if the word represent whole class, then we can use definite article, that is the old, the rich, the student, like this. So it represent whole class of that word. So not only one, more than two. So not only one. So if we can use an old man, that means single, that means a single. One, that means only one old man. If we can use the old man, then there is no one, there is more than two. It represent more than two. The is represent more than two. Here the is used before an adjective to denote a whole class. For example, I use a rich person, that means only one, that means only a rich person. So it represent only one people, one rich people there. So or otherwise we can use the rich people is there, the rich people is there. So that means the whole of the rich people, the whole of the rich people, I mean so many rich peoples are there. That means so many rich peoples are there. So the is it represent more than two, it represent more than two. So that is a definite article. Next one, the poor, the rich, the old, like this. So these the sick people, the poor people, the rich people, like this. So this is a whole class, it represents whole class. So then we can use definite article the. So next, we use the when we know that there is a only one of a particular thing, only one of a particular thing. Already I told you unique things. So unique things that are particular thing, a specific thing, then we can use definite article, that is the. So the is used before, when we know that there is a only one a particular thing. So there is no other thing, there is no other thing. If you talk about one thing, there is no other thing, then we can use uh, definite article the, then we can use definite article the. So like the sky, you talk about sky, then we can use the sky. You can talk about world, so they can talk about world. So this is a one thing in the universal. So sky, this is a one thing in the universal, only one thing. So that's why we can use definite article the. So the next one, the north pole, so I mean only it is a one thing. So that is why that is that's why we can use definite article the north pole. So the is used before directions, I mean the east, the west, the south, the north pole, the south pole, like this. So the definite article is used before directions, the is used before directions, the is used before rivers, seas, oceans, etc. So the is used before unique books or holy books or well known books. So the used before directions, the east, the west, the north, the south, like this. And again the is used before newspapers, the Eenadu, the Sakshi, the Hindu, the Indian Today, the Times of India, like this. The is that means the definite article is used before newspapers. The is used before years, festivals. The is used before years or festivals. So I mean festivals. Yeah, for example, Pongal means Sankranti. So that is called Pongal. So the Pongal, the Dasara, the Diwali, like this. So the Christmas, leap year, the leap year. So the is used before years. The is used before festivals. So and the is used before musical instruments. The is used before musical instruments. I mean the piano, the violin, the sitara, the flute, like this. So the is used before a famous historical events. The is used before a famous historical events. Historical events. I mean like mm, the Republic Day, the Independent Day, the Industrial Revolution, the Industrial Revolution, like these. So this is a historical events. These historical events. So the is used before inventions. The is used before inventions. I mean the telescope, the cinema, the museum, the microscope, like this. The is used before ordinals. Already I told you what adjective. So adjective denotes ordinals, adjective denotes quantity, adjective denotes quality. So like this. So adjective denotes colors, like this. So ordinals. So what are the ordinals? First, second, third, fourth, these are all called ordinals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all called numbers. So the is used before ordinals. That means the first, the second, the third, the last, the ninth, like these. So the is used before ordinals. So we are talking about definite article, that is the. So the is used when we speak a definite or specific thing or person. So then we use the. For example, we talk about doctor. So the specific person, so then we can use the doctor. So if we don't know about him, then we can use definite indefinite article, that is a doctor. I mean we don't know anyone, so we don't know that person, we can use a doctor. So there is no there is any doctor, so that means any doctor. So any doctor, a doctor, only one doctor. So we talk about the doctor. So we talk about a special, we talk about a definite, we talk about a specific person. So that is I mean well known. We talk about knowing about listener, knowing about that person to listener. So that's why then we can use definite article, then we can use definite article. So the use used before, so a specific things, a definite things. The use used before a specific person, a specific uh, uh, or definite persons, then we can use a definite article, that is the. So the doctor, the teacher. So we talk about to listener. So the specifically and the specially, that is a, then we can use definite article the. So then we can use definite article the. So the use used before ordinals, that means the first, the second, the third, like this. The use used before inventions. So inventions. So the bicycle, the microscope, the telescope, the cinema, the museum. So like this. So the use used before musical instruments. The use used before historical buildings also. So the is used before historical buildings, historical events. historical events like Republic Day, Industrial Revolution, like these. So historical buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Char Minar, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, like these are all historical buildings. That's why you can use a definite article. So the is used before historical buildings. So the is used before newspapers. The is used before directions. The is used before well-known books, holy books. The is used before oceans or sea, rivers, seas, canals. The is used before unique objects or unique things. So the is used before superlative degrees. The is used before superlative degrees like best, biggest, most, wisest, like these. So for example, honesty is the best policy. So for example, Varun Kumar is the talent tallest boy, is the tallest boy in the class. So like I mean the superlative the is used before superlative adjectives. So the is used before ordinals, already we know about that. So this is a where we used definite article, where we used indefinite article. So here we know about where we do not use definite or indefinite article. That means omission of article. We do not use articles before these things, like we do not use before the names of relationship. We do not use articles or a or an or the. We do not use names of relationship like father, mother, uncle, sister, brother, like these. So the relationship, we do not use the father, we do not use the uncle, we do not use the sister, we do not use a father, we do not use an uncle, we do not use a sister. I mean we do not use before the relationship, before the relations. So father, uncle, sister, brother, mother, like these. So we do not use article, we do not use before the names of material, before the names of material, gold, silver, diamond, water, oil, rice, like this. So we do not use names of material, gold, silver, iron, diamond, like this. So the gold is a precious, we do not use the. So that is a gold, it is a material noun, that's why we do not use. So omission, that means we do not use of article before these words, before these things. So article do not use before the names of relations, article before use the names of material nouns. So before the proper noun, already I told, already we discussed the last class in the topic of parts of speech. So the noun is a naming word. It tells the names of persons, places, things, etc. So noun is mainly divided into two types: abstract noun and concrete noun. Again concrete noun subdivided into four types: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun. So here is, we do not use articles before proper noun. We do not use before proper noun. So already we know about proper noun. What is proper noun? So it is the name given to a particular person. It is the name given to a particular person or thing, like this, or place, like this. So for example, Chennai, that is a place, a particular place. Priya, that is a particular person name. So lotus. So we do not use before the names of proper nouns. So we do not use before the names of proper noun. For example, the Kundripi, we do not use the Kundripi, the, we do not use definite article or indefinite article. So before the abstract noun, already I told you what is abstract noun. So what is abstract noun? the noun abstract noun. It is, these can be neither seen nor touched. That means we cannot seen, we cannot touch. That is called abstract noun. For example, beauty, love, air, freedom, slavery, soul, God. These examples of abstract noun. So we do not use before the abstract nouns. We do not use before abstract nouns. So articles, we do not use articles before abstract nouns like honesty, wisdom, truth, love, beauty, like these words of abstract nouns. So then we do not use before languages. So languages, we do not use before languages. English language, Hindi language, Telugu language, Tamil language, Kannada language, like these. So we do not use articles before the languages. Then we do not use before the certain phrases. So at noon, by train, on foot, like these. So I mean omission of articles, we do not use before these things like relationship, material noun, proper noun, abstract noun, languages, certain phrases, like these things we do not use articles. Like these things we do not use articles. So we articles is used before nouns. So if the word begin with consonant letter, sorry, consonant word, then we can use a. If the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. If we talk about a specific thing, if you speak about a definite persons or things, then we use to definite article, that is the. So the is used before unique things. The is used before rivers or seas or oceans or canals. The is used before books like well-known books like holy books. The is used before directions. The is used before newspapers. The is used before years, festivals, like this. The is used before musical instruments. The is used before the is used before famous historical events. The is used before mountains, range of mountains, for example Alps, Himalayas, Vindhyas, the Vindhyas, the Himalayas, the Alps. The is used before inventions. The is used before ordinals. So like this already we know about where we use a definite article, where we use indefinite article, where do not we, where we do not use articles. So this is the topic of articles. So the topic is end. So we learnt where we used definite article, where we used indefinite article. So where we do not use articles, where we do not use articles. What are the articles? A, an, and the are called articles. So where we do not use, where we use, we known about in this class. So this is the end of the class. So I would like to stop here and we will meet next class and another with another topic. So thank you all of you. So only you are 3 members. Shit. Okay, all of you, bye. I leave this class.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir.